Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with a Lego haul today, and it's kind of a good haul because this stuff was really cheap for me. So I was on Kijiji there a while ago, and I found these sets to the right, and I think they were about $25 for all these, so that was a good deal. Now, this set here is not even open. This is the friend's, Olivia's Creative Lab, and Doggo over there is making all kinds of squeaking noises, so just kind of block her out for a bit. Olivia's mission vehicle is half put together and half not, so that's not too bad. This one here, the Space Twister ride, was in this bag, but it doesn't seem to be there, and there's some other stuff in there as well. This one here, it was like the little sports Plex arena type thing. That's got a lot in there, and it may even have the space ride in there too. Or maybe they're split up into two bags. It's got the stuff in. I don't know, the instructions are there. I really wanted it for this space ride so I could do a second one. So I'm hoping that the majority of it is there, or at least the spinner part. Even if that main spinner part is there, the rest of it I can do without, because I can rebuild something as a base. But that's what I'd really like, is that part. Although this looks really cool, I think this sports thing, will be able to use it in the amusement park around like where all the video games and that will go. I think that will go quite well there. The Creative Lab, we might be able to use it in there somewhere. And the mission vehicle, I'm not sure what we'll do with that one yet, but that still looks pretty cool. Now we're going to go on to this one here, the Disney Castle Sleeping Beauty's Fairy Tale Castle. Now the story behind this one is, it generally sells for $49.99. So I was in my local grocery store the other day, and I happened to see that it was marked down to $39.99. Now this was their shelf price, so that was a regular price. However, it was on sale for $34.99, so it was $5 off their regular price. In actuality, it was like $15 off Lego's retail price. So that's not too bad. That's actually pretty good. And I thought to myself, this is what I wanted because of Merryweather, of course. And I have a friend that actually dresses up and cosplays as Merryweather. So that's really cool. There's a few things about this I noticed, and I'm going to go over them with you even before I crack this open. I'm going to go over it with you right now in a second. But getting back to the deal on this, so the grocery store has a point system between the drugstore chain and the grocery store chain, and as you collect points you can use them to purchase stuff. So I was able to purchase this and basically get it for free using points. So that's awesome. Can't beat that price. So basically this was a $0 and this was $25. So there is my basically $25 haul. I think it's an amazing haul. And one thing I noticed on here, and I think it's probably been noticed by a lot of people, is if we look here, we are going to see Sleeping Beauty in a blue dress. Now I haven't watched the movie for a long time, so I can't remember. I'm presuming that is from the movie, like a still from the movie, but yet they have her in this Lego set as a pink dress. Like, seriously, Lego, what are you doing? Was this done on purpose or what? I don't know. If I have a mini doll's dress somewhere in blue, I might just have to exchange her out or paint it over. I don't know why that is like that. Why did you guys do that, Lego? Come on. Seriously. Or did she have a pink dress in the movie? Anybody know for sure? Let me know down in the comments. Please let me know. Because I really don't know. I haven't watched the movie in years. So I don't know for sure. But that would be actually quite disturbing if they went and changed it from blue to pink. So there must be a reason. I don't know. But if you guys know, please let me know. Let me know what you think about this haul. This $25 haul. Basically. Because, like I said, $25 for that and $0 for this. So, if I can get more Lego at my grocery store that I want in sets that I want. There was only one more set there that I really wanted, and I'll save up some points to get that one. But it's a good place to buy it, and it's a good deal when you can get it for free. As a post-amendment to this Lego haul, I did find the parts that I wanted for the spaceship ride. So it's looking pretty good. Most of the parts seem to be there in amongst this stuff, and like there's the spinner, so that's the crucial part right there. So it looks like it's all in there, and probably that one as well, the space one and the sports one. And there's some other figures in here too, which is rather cool. They look like Playmobil figures, so I'm not sure. I'll have to check them out and find out what they are. They could be something cool to have down the line as well. So seems like everything is there, and I don't know what this little critter is, but whatever. Yeah, so looking good. Everything is there. It's in the 2 bags, and there's even some bags not even open with the parts that we need for the spinners. So we're looking good. So that's it for this haul today, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.